GitHub has revolutionized the way software is developed, enabling collaboration on projects regardless of geographical location. At its core, GitHub is a web-based platform that allows developers to manage, store, and collaborate on code efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the history, features, and various use cases of GitHub, from individual developers to large enterprises. 2. History and background of GitHub. GitHub was founded in 2008 by Tom Preston Werner, Chris Wanstrath, and PJ Hyatt. Their goal was to create a platform that leveraged Git, a version control system created by Linus Torvalds, to allow developers to collaborate on software projects more easily. Over time, GitHub has grown into the world's largest platform for open source collaboration, with millions of developers and organizations using it. Key milestones. 2008. GitHub launches as a startup. 2012. GitHub surpasses 1 million repositories. 2018. Microsoft acquires GitHub for $7.5 billion. 3. What is GitHub? GitHub is a platform that combines the functionalities of version control and collaboration tools with social networking features for developers. It allows users to store, track, and manage code repositories and to work on code collaboratively. Core features. Repositories, the core element for storing and managing projects. Issues, bug tracking and feature requests. Pull requests, merging new changes into a codebase after review. 4. Version control and Git. Version control systems allow developers to track and manage changes to their code over time. Git, the underlying technology of GitHub, provides a distributed version control system that makes branching, merging, and collaboration easy. Difference between Git and GitHub. While Git is the version control tool, GitHub is the web-based platform that uses Git to provide additional features such as collaboration, access control, and projects management. 5. How GitHub works. Repositories. A repository, or repo, is where your project lives, and it contains all of the project's files and the history of every change made to those files. Branches. A branch is essentially a parallel version of your repository. By using branches, you can work on different features or fixes simultaneously without affecting the main codebase. Commits. Commits represent a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time. Pull requests. This feature allows developers to propose changes, review them, and integrate those changes into the projects after approval. 6. GitHub for collaboration. GitHub is not only a platform for individual developers, but also enables teamwork and open source collaboration. Forking. Forking allows you to create a copy of someone else's repository and modify it without affecting the original. Pull request reviews. Collaborators can review the changes proposed in a pull request, discuss modifications, and approve or reject the changes. 7. GitHub Actions and automation. GitHub Actions allow developers to automate workflows, from testing code to deploying applications. CI/CD with GitHub. Continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, C. Pipelines are automated using GitHub Actions, making the development process faster and more reliable. 8. GitHub for open source projects. GitHub has become the de facto platform for hosting open source projects. Its features, such as pull requests, forking, and issue tracking, make it easy for developers from around the world to contribute to a single project. 9. GitHub for enterprise. For large organizations, GitHub Enterprise provides additional features such as advanced security, compliance tools, and support. 10. GitHub Marketplace. GitHub Marketplace offers a variety of integrations and tools, from security checks to projects management apps, helping developers streamline their workflows. 11. Security features of GitHub. GitHub offers several built-in security tools to help maintain the safety of your codebase. Dependabot automatically checks for outdated or insecure dependencies and provides security updates. Code scanning automatically scans code for security vulnerabilities and issues alerts when necessary. 12. Popular GitHub projects and use cases. Some of the most famous open source projects, such as TensorFlow and React, are hosted on GitHub. These projects demonstrate GitHub's impact on real-world applications, from AI to web development. 13. The role of GitHub in DevOps. GitHub plays a crucial role in the DevOps pipeline by integrating with tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes, allowing for automated testing and deployment. 14. GitHub Desktop and Mobile. GitHub offers applications for desktop and mobile users, making it easier for developers to manage their repositories and collaborate on the go. 15. GitHub Learning Resources. GitHub offers a variety of learning resources, from documentation to interactive tutorials, to help new users get started with Git and GitHub. 16. Future of GitHub. GitHub continues to innovate with features like Copilot, a machine learning-powered code completion tool. The platform's vision includes improving developer productivity and enhancing the security of the software development lifecycle. 17. Expert insights on GitHub. Experts in the field frequently praise GitHub for its ease of use, strong community support, and robust feature set. For that case, GitHub has transformed the software development industry, providing tools for version control, collaboration, and automation. Whether you are an individual developer, part of a team, or running a large enterprise, GitHub offers solutions tailored to your needs.